Well, let's get you the latest in regard to the swearing-in ceremony that's going to be taking place in less than an hour's time from now at the Rashtrapati Bhavan of the new Vice President. The 15th Vice President, C.P. Radhakrishnan, will be administered oath by the President, Draupadi Murmu. This is all going to be taking place. Do remember that opposition leaders have been invited from both houses, but also the big question as to where Jagdeep Dhankar has been ever since his, stepping down from that position about over a few more than 50 days back. Now, we are expecting Jagdeep Dhankar to be there, the former Vice President to be there as well. The new Rajya Sabha chairperson is set to be sworn in. The NDA had the backing of 427 MPs and 11 lawmakers from the YSRCP also supported Radhakrishnan. And this is, of course, we're talking about, of course, Radhakrishnan, who will succeed Jagdeep Dhankar, whose sudden resignation in July had prompted the elections as far as the Vice President is concerned. With more than 4 decades of political experience, Radhakrishnan is regarded as a respected figure in Tamil Nadu's politics. He began his political career as an RSS sevak, and in 1974 he became a member of the Tamil Nadu State Executive Committee of the Bharatiya Jan Sangh. Now, in his association with the RSS, that prompted the opposition to field Sudarshan Reddy, a former Supreme Court judge, in what was framed as an ideological battle between the BJP-led NDA and the Congress-led India bloc. So it is, of course, Sudarshan Reddy who lost to, Radhakrishnan, which was on expected lines. But there is a meeting that's going to be held with all the Rajya Sabha members, and that is going to be taking place at 12 o'clock right after the swearing-in ceremony. And Ishika joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, of course, we do know that all opposition leaders from both houses have been invited, but the surprise guest will be Jagdeep Dhankar. That is what we're hearing. But right after all this, it is Radhakrishnan who is going to be holding his first meeting.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, Divya, today is certainly a very packed day as far as, it is for C.P. Radhakrishnan, who will today be taking oath as the 15th Vice President of India. And the entire oath-taking ceremony, if we talk about, it will start at around 10 a.m. and it will be President Draupadi Murmu who would be administering him the oath for today. Now, if we talk about currently, we are present at the Maharashtra Sadan, where C.P. Radhakrishnan is currently residing in. It is expected that at around 9:30 he will leave from here for the oath-taking ceremony. And, the dignitaries who have been invited, they have all been asked to reach the venue by 9 a.m. because the sources in the BJP tell us that it is rather after much deliberation that this auspicious time has been picked up. And as you rightly mentioned, if we talk about the invitees, the invitations have been extended to all the opposition leaders. But, it is expected that if we talk from the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi is not, likely to attend this oath-taking ceremony, but Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is going to be present at the oath-taking ceremony. And very interestingly, certainly, Jagdeep Dhankar would also be present at this oath-taking ceremony. But as you rightly mentioned, the entire focus will be today on C.P. Radhakrishnan because this will be his first day in office. And right after, the oath-taking ceremony, he has in fact called a meeting of all the leaders of the Rajya Sabha. So certainly that will also be interesting as to how that meeting pans out. Over to you.